Hi, I'm Grant Nelson. This is my dog Bailey, and welcome to Mustache Off Grid. Got her! Finally! We got her, boy! Alright guys, we got a second cutting of squash here. We might get one more cutting of squash later in the season, but this is just what I got today. That's all the stuff that's growing. Just figured I'd give you guys an update. And I've got these wild squash growing down the hill. They could use a little longer, I think. Wow, this one right here, that thing just grew like that overnight. That wasn't there yesterday. I was out here picking up wood and it wasn't like that yesterday. You can see there's a little one there, which may or may not work, but we'll see how much squash this vine puts on here. I'm gonna try to leave them. You can see there's the logs for the log cabin. I've got some more down the hill here. I've been slowly picking up all the firewood, and I'm planning to start the pig pen this week. So it's looking pretty good on that. There's some more logs over here. I'm at 30 logs even. So I'm gonna need 35, I think, to complete the cabin. Each side's gonna be probably about 7 logs. I figure they're roughly 10 inches a piece, and I'll probably have a 1 or 2 foot base. But you can see I've got some more wood down there. Right now I'm kind of just in cleanup mode out here, so you can see all the junk on the ground. Yeah, one thing I was thinking about yesterday, you know, kind of funny to put in the video, but this color here, this wood color, natural wood color, is just so nice. It just kind of makes you feel back in time, anyway, to me anyway. It makes me feel like 1800s, like that's probably the color all the buildings were and all the wagons and everything. I don't know, it just kind of it's an old-fashioned color, the old wood look, and I really like the classic wood look. So just a ramble there, but just figured I'd mention it. Figured I'd show you guys my chicken coop. And Bailey, stop it. My dog messes around. I've got these chickens in here, and you can see that they're molting. You can see all the feathers on the ground in here in the coop, and they're molting right now. So it's just kind of interesting how many feathers there is. I figured I'd show you guys. There's feathers all over. And they're molting like this. I mean, sometimes there's usually always a few feathers. And here they are out here. I don't know how to make their noise good. But yeah, I don't know what kind they are. I got them at the sale barn. These are probably about 2 or 3 years old. And they lay really nice. Good hens though, good hens. They've done me well. We're gonna make some goldenrod tea here real quick. Show you guys how I make goldenrod tea. I was just feeling like trying some tonight. Probably enough water. Yeah, we'll probably dump a little water out. Got our water right there. What's up, buddy? Just gonna go back here, and I've got a lot of goldenrod growing. You can probably see, definitely got a lot growing, so I'm just gonna snip a few off here. Snip a few off. We'll go a little more. We'll make it stronger. And I might dry some of this stuff for winter. But basically you just take the nice tops, throw them in your water. What are you doing, boy? Eh? Come here. What are you doing? Come here. Yes, good boy. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Ain't he special? All right, so we got our goldenrod. I'm gonna put it up on the burner. This is handy if you're going off grid to get yourself a little propane stove. Just makes things real easy. There we go. So we got her started, and we'll let that boil for a few minutes here. Yeah, it's got to start boiling. These metal pots are real handy off-grid. If you go off-grid, you know, getting 3 or 4 metal pots like that with a lid, they're just very handy. You can cook on the fire with them. You know, they're cheap. Just something you want to have to be able to boil water. And I mean, you end up using them for a lot more stuff as well. I mean, just cooking, boiling vegetables or beans, coffee, all kinds of stuff. So, I mean, metal pots are very handy to have off-grid. So, just figured I'd mention that for you guys. And I'll come back to the video when this stuff starts boiling. Alright guys, it's starting to boil here. You can see it's really coming along. It's got a nice yellow color to it. Most of the colors come out of the goldenrod. We'll let her boil a little more and get a little stronger. Alright guys, I think we just finished her up. I just turned the burner off. Oh yeah, look at that color. Good goldenrod tea color. Fill up my glass here. Might be a little hot. No, it ain't bad. I know it's a little dark, guys, so appreciate you bearing with me. Oh yeah, that's some very, looks like yeah, it's pretty dark. But yeah, that's how you guys make goldenrod tea. What do you think, boy? I got him these treats here. We'll see if he likes them, guys. You ready, boy? You ready? Hey, you're already sitting. Hey, come out here again. Come out here. You ready? Sit, 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 sit. Nice catch, dude. We'll give you one more. You ready? You ready? Ready, boy? Hey, go out there. Go out there. Ready, sit, sit, sit. Nice catch. Nice catch. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? You ready? This is a piece of pumpkin. You ready? Nice catch, dude. Really? Sit. 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 Come on. Sit. 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 Stay. 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 Hey, sit. Sit. Nice catch. You ready? Sit. 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 Nice catch, dude.